Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider, today showcasing the best cordless hot glue guns for 2026 crafts. So, let's get started. Number 5. Surebonder Specialty Series CL800F. If you are tired of weak glue bonds ruining your hard work, this 60-watt beast is your solution. It packs 50% more power than standard guns, cranking up the heat to a scorching 380 degrees Fahrenheit. That intense high temperature ensures rock-solid bonds on tough surfaces like metal, wood, and ceramics. The clever hybrid design lets you use a cord-free for up to 3 minutes off its warming base. It is rugged, reliable, and built to handle your biggest crafting projects safely. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. AOZOY Cordless Glue Gun. This mini powerhouse features a massive 4000 mAh battery, giving you twice the runtime of standard wireless guns. It heats up in just 30 seconds, letting you jump straight into your projects. Tangles are a thing of the past, so you can work anywhere comfortably. Safety features include a 3-minute auto shut-off and a clever anti-drip nozzle. It even comes packed with 25 premium glue sticks. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. WORKPRO Full-Size Cordless Glue Gun. Sporting a stylish pink design, this 12-volt tool heats up in just 120 seconds using an energy-saving system. The standout feature is its ultra-fast flow rate, dispensing glue way faster than standard full-size guns. You get 45 minutes of runtime, convenient Type-C charging, and a 10-minute safety auto shut-off. It keeps your workspace clean with a low-leakage nozzle and handy built-in stand. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Katerk 12-volt full-size glue gun. This heavy-duty tool heats up in 90 seconds and features a widened, leak-proof nozzle for faster output. The unique base houses a 2000 mAh battery, giving you up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime. It reduces accidental tips by 50%, keeping your workspace safe. Plus, it includes 24 eco-friendly full-size glue sticks. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 1. THINKWORK 20-volt Cordless Glue Gun. Taking our top spot, this 100-watt heavy-duty tool heats up in just 2 minutes. It stands out with a massive glue output rate that is way faster than standard guns. The high-capacity battery provides up to 60 minutes of run time, and it charges fully in 2 hours. It even includes 30 full-size sticks, sealing waxes, and an anti-drip mat to keep your workspace pristine. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.